So you know when you finish your left eyeliner and it's all perfect and you're like, okay, I got this. But then you get to your right eye and it's like, what the heck is this? For your eyeliner mishaps and mistakes, this is the perfect solution for you. Tada! With the Handayan eyeliner, you don't have to worry about messing up because this professional eyeliner has a fine eyeliner tip on the left side and a fine eyeliner wing-shaped tip on the right. So if you're in a situation that you need a quick eyeliner look without mess-ups, Handayan eyeliner print is for you. You just need to stamp your eyeliner print where you want it to be and you'll be set. You can also create your own eyeliner style with the left side of the eyeliner. With Handayan eyeliner, you don't have to worry about getting your eyeliner wet because Handayan eyeliner is waterproof. Unlike other brands, Handayan eyeliner has its versatile 2 tips and is very affordable for only 69.99 pesos. Handayan eyeliner is in stores like local drugstores, Watsons, SM department stores, and is available online via Shopee and Lazada. You can use the promo codes Handayan on your first purchase to get free delivery or a 10% off voucher on your first purchase.